Welcome back to Mini World of Dreams. In today's video, we will learn about the poem Patriot written by the Nassim Ezekiel. The answer given here can be used as a powerful response to all long questions related to this poem. Let's get started. About the author, Nassim Ezekiel, 1924 to 2004, was a famous Indian poet and is known as the father of modern Indian English poetry. His poems often talk about Indian culture, identity, and everyday life. He used simple and clear language with a touch of humor and deep meaning. He loved India and showed both its beauty and problems through his poetry. His writing helped shape Indian English literature. Summary of a Patriot. The poem A Patriot by Nassim Ezekiel presents the voice of a simple, emotional Indian who expresses his deep love for his country. He may not speak perfect English, but his intentions and feelings are pure and sincere. The speaker proudly supports peace, non-violence, and unity among all people, just like Mahatma Gandhi's ideals. He believes in tolerance and harmony, even when there are differences. Despite not believing in formal ceremonies, he enjoys honest relationships and values human connection. The speaker hopes for the arrival of Ram Rajya, a symbol of peace and justice. Throughout the poem, the speaker questions the violence and fighting in the world and wonders why people cannot live in peace. He believes all humans are brothers and that war and hatred are unnecessary. The poem also touches on modern day issues like obsession with foreign culture, fashion, and language, and subtly criticizes people who ignore India. Wisdom and values. Although the speaker appears simple, he speaks important truths about love, unity, and patriotism. In essence, the poem humorously yet seriously portrays an innocent but passionate patriot whose love for his country is deep and honest. That was the summary of script poetry by Jayant Kakini. I hope this helped you understand the poem better and prepare well for your exams. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. If you want video on any topic, just comment.